Well, there you go. Christmas has come early at Katt Outdoor.
So they say that's the handle. We'll grab this out.
That's the way to lift it.
That's the way to lift it.
That's what we put the tender on too. Very good. Let's dig deeper. Oh, here we go.
Pull the remote out first. That's the remote. Pull them off. Okay, this should be out.
Tender.
Tether.
100 metres.
100 metre tether.
Beautiful. Charge plug?
Charge plug. I think that one's for the remote, by the looks. There should be another one. Yep. Another one here for the drone.
Certainly.
What else we got? More goodies. Don't know what they are at the moment.
We'll find out. What's that?
That's your VR goggles. We've got our VR goggles.
So while it's under the water, we can look and see what it's doing.
Yes. Okay, that looks like everything. Yeah, I think that's everything by the looks. Okay.
Very good.
Now, in that circle there should be some weights. We'll have a look at that later. That's where your tether goes. We'll charge her up and get it back to you.
Yeah.
So I've got her on charging. Red light. I guess that means it's not charged. We'll have a look in an hour, see how we go. Look, now the light's green. That's charged. I forgot to remove the plastic off the camera. That's why the picture's a bit blurry.
Hopefully with the V6 FiFish, will take us to different levels of catching fish and seeing what's under the ocean. Yeah.
Now the plastic's off the camera. The picture's much clearer. Hello and welcome to Katt Outdoors. We have some merchandise. Got camouflage fishing shirts, purple fishing shirts,
like a bird on a tree,
hot pink fishing shirts, pink fishing shirts, blue fishing shirts. We can get these in ladies, men's, boys, girls, sizes.
World seems small. We can sit.
We got cups, coffee cups,
It's so beautiful.
blue and purple.
You and me.
They're good for holding hot or cold stuff.
We meant to be.
They'll be posted in a black box like this.
Forever free.
This is the purple one. They look the same colour. They look the same colour, but one's blue and one's purple.
Take a step back to see the truth.
I have stickers for those of you that like stickers.
From a distance you can tell.
Have an LED torch that has a bottle opener on it.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.
And a pile of pens.
Forever free.
If you look down in the description, there should be a Capro store link. Just go into that and you'll go straight to the store.
In the great outdoors.
If you enjoy this episode, give us a like, subscribe, share it with your mates. Thank you.
It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be